Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to unpair Bluetooth earbuds to our Samsung phone. Friends, I have paired and means guys I have connected this earbud, but guys I want to unpair this Bluetooth earbud guys. I don't want to use it. So how can I unpair it? In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to unpair guys your Bluetooth earbuds. So friends you can see this type of setting in your Samsung phone. So you will have to click on guys connection settings, and guys you can see your Bluetooth device settings. So guys tap here, and guys you can see we have connected means guys we have paired this ptron TWS, and guys we want to unpair guys. So guys you can see the setting icon, tap here, unpair, disconnect, and guys rename option. So friends you want to rename guys your earbud name, so guys you can rename from here. I will not rename friends, I will unpair only. So I will tap here to unpair, then guys earbud will unpair, then guys I cannot use, I want to use, so I will have to pair again guys. So we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earbud to a Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.